For years, if you asked a mechanic which truck could be the last vehicle a retiree buys, the answer usually depended on one thing: Toyota. That answer is no longer automatic. Today we are examining 5 trucks mechanics still trust for mileage, using HUTSA records, service data, repair histories, and high-mileage owner reports from real-world drivers and mechanics. We will cover the engines, transmissions, rust risks, and maintenance costs, then reveal the truck that gives you the best chance of driving for decades without replacing it. Let's get into it. Number 5. Nissan Frontier 2005 TO 2019. The Nissan Frontier from 2005 to 2019 is the compact value choice on this list. It may not have the size or luxury features of a full-size pickup, but the 4.0-liter V6 provides strong low-end torque and enough capability for boats, utility trailers, and small campers. Properly equipped models can tow approximately 6,500 pounds. That gives the Frontier enough reserve for trailers above 4,500 pounds without forcing the owner into full-size truck fuel bills and repair costs. The truck also stayed mechanically familiar for many years, which matters when long-term ownership is the goal. Independent mechanics understand the layout, and replacement parts are generally easy to source. The 4.0-liter V6 is naturally aspirated, so it avoids the extra heat, plumbing, and turbocharger components found in many newer trucks. That does not make the engine maintenance-free. It simply gives the owner fewer complicated systems to worry about as the truck ages. The frame is the most important inspection point. Check the frame rails, suspension mounts, brake lines, and rear shock mounts for serious corrosion, especially if the truck came from a region where road salt is common. A clean frame matters more than a polished exterior because structural rust can turn an affordable truck into a financial loss. The transmission also deserves a serious inspection. Reverse should engage quickly, shifts should be smooth, and the truck should not shudder under acceleration. Before towing, inspect the receiver hitch, trailer brake wiring, cooling fans, and rear differential. A Frontier that spent years pulling heavy trailers may show sagging rear springs, worn leaf shackle bushings, and uneven tire wear. For seniors who want easier parking and lower running costs, a clean 2005 to 2019 Frontier can make more sense than a large SUV that rarely uses its extra space. Number 4. Ford F-150 2011 TO 2014. The Ford F-150 from 2011 to 2014 earns the number 4 position because it offers the easiest daily driving balance. The full-size frame provides a comfortable margin for normal trailers, while the 5.0-liter V8 delivers enough power for towing well beyond 4,500 pounds. Properly equipped examples should feel composed under load instead of constantly moving and struggling. The 5.0-liter V8 uses a conventional naturally aspirated design. It does not rely on turbochargers to produce useful towing power, which removes some additional heat and plumbing from the engine bay. For long-term ownership, that simplicity can become more important than impressive specification sheet numbers. The F-150 also benefits from enormous parts and aftermarket support. Almost every repair shop understands the platform, and replacement parts are rarely difficult to locate. That makes the truck easier to maintain than an uncommon pickup with expensive or hard-to-find components. The important detail is choosing the right configuration. Confirm the engine, axle ratio, cab configuration, factory tow package, and actual tow rating before buying. A truck that looks identical to another F-150 may have a different capacity because of its gearing, suspension, cooling system, and factory equipment. The 6-speed automatic transmission should be tested carefully. Look for harsh shifts, delayed engagement, slipping, or vibration under load. Also inspect the front suspension, wheel bearings, brake condition, and cooling system because towing exposes weak components much faster than normal commuting. A properly maintained F-150 can be comfortable enough for daily use and strong enough for regular recreational towing. But do not buy the cheapest one available. Buy the cleanest example with the best records, then confirm that its loaded trailer rating exceeds what you actually plan to tow. Number 3. Nissan Titan 2004 TO 2015. The Nissan Titan from 2004 to 2015 is one of the most underrated full-size pickups for buyers who want serious towing strength without paying modern truck prices. Its 5.6-liter V8 produces strong torque without the added complexity of a modern turbocharged powertrain. Properly equipped versions can tow well above 8,000 pounds, with some early configurations rated near 9,500 pounds. That gives the Titan far more reserve than a crossover-based SUV. Its long wheelbase and full-size proportions also help it remain stable when towing. The truck does not feel as nervous when crosswinds hit the trailer, or when a heavier vehicle passes at highway speed. The naturally aspirated V8 works with a conventional automatic transmission and a sturdy frame. That straightforward layout is familiar to many independent mechanics, and it avoids some of the turbocharger and emissions complexity found in newer trucks. For an older driver, predictable repairs can be more valuable than maximum fuel economy. Fuel economy is the major daily warning. The Titan will use more fuel than the Frontier or a smaller SUV, especially when towing. That cost is acceptable only if the buyer calculates it honestly before purchasing. Age creates its own problems, even when the engine is strong. Check the exhaust manifolds, cooling system, transmission behavior, rear axle and frame for corrosion. Listen for exhaust ticking during a cold start, and inspect for evidence that previous owners ignored fluid changes or overheating warnings. A clean, unmodified Titan with a solid frame and complete service history can be a strong value. It provides comfortable seating, genuine towing ability, and a large engine without forcing the buyer into the price of a newer truck. This is overlooked V8 strength, but the right example matters more than the Nissan badge. We're halfway through and now it gets interesting. Number 2 gives you serious heavy-duty reserve, while number 1 combines strong towing ability with one of the simplest long-term ownership equations in this group. Stay with me, because the cheapest truck here is not the truck that saves the most money. Number 2, Chevrolet Silverado 2500 HD, 2001, TO 2006. The Chevrolet Silverado 2500 HD from 2001 to 2006 was designed for serious work. Its heavy-duty frame, suspension, axles, and brakes provide a level of stability that half-ton trucks cannot always match. Properly equipped models can tow far beyond 4,500 pounds with a significant safety margin. That extra hardware becomes useful when towing a loaded trailer through hills, strong wind, or difficult road conditions. Larger brakes and a heavier cooling system also provide more ability to manage heat during long grades. This is the truck for buyers who need reserve, not just a high tow rating printed in a brochure. The 6.0-liter gas V8 is usually the simpler ownership choice for seniors who tow occasionally. It avoids some of the expensive fuel system, turbocharger, and emissions-related repairs associated with an older 6.6-liter Duramax diesel. The Duramax provides greater torque, but it demands a larger maintenance budget when aging components begin to fail. The ride can be firm, especially when the truck is empty. That is the price of heavy-duty capability, and a buyer should take a long test drive before making a decision. A truck that feels comfortable while towing may feel unnecessarily stiff during daily errands. Inspect the frame, brake lines, steering components, transfer case, and transmission. Check carefully for excessive rust around the cab corners, rocker panels, and suspension mounting points. A neglected Silverado 2500 HD can consume thousands of dollars very quickly. The diesel version can make sense for someone who regularly tows heavy loads over long distances. For a senior buyer who tows occasionally, the 6.0-liter gas V8 usually provides a better balance between towing reserve, repair simplicity, and predictable ownership costs. Number 1. Toyota Tundra 2007 TO 2013. The Toyota Tundra from 2007 to 2013 earns number 1 because it combines strong towing ability with a simpler long-term ownership equation. Its 5.7-liter V8 can tow approximately 10,400 pounds when properly equipped. That is more than enough for most recreational trailers, boats, and utility equipment. The Tundra gives senior buyers genuine truck capability without forcing them into the size and stiffness of a heavy-duty diesel. The engine has strong torque and enough power to tow without constant high RPM strain. That low-stress behavior is one reason clean examples continue to command strong prices. The 5.7-liter V8 uses a timing chain and a conventional 6-speed automatic transmission. The timing chain eliminates the scheduled timing belt replacement required by some competing engines. The engine also remains relatively easy for independent shops to diagnose. But Toyota reliability does not cancel out neglect. The biggest warning is frame corrosion. Toyota issued major frame-related campaigns on certain trucks, so buyers must inspect the specific VIN and the actual physical condition of the frame. Look closely at the frame rails, cross members, brake lines, fuel tank area, and suspension mounts. Surface rust and structural corrosion are not the same thing. Also examine the receiver for impact damage and check whether oversized tires or suspension modifications change the truck's handling. Fuel economy is not impressive, and fuel costs can become significant. That is the trade-off for a large, naturally aspirated V8 moving a full-size pickup. If longevity and towing reserve matter more than fuel savings, this is mechanic math. A low-mileage Tundra with poor frame condition is not a bargain. A higher-mileage example with excellent records, a solid frame, and careful maintenance may be the smarter purchase. That is the difference between buying mileage and buying condition. The Tundra is not perfect, but it is the best overall balance on this list. It offers towing strength, mechanical simplicity, independent shop support, and enough comfort for long-distance driving. Buy it without hesitation when the frame is solid and the service history is complete. The real lesson is simple. The last vehicle you ever buy does not need to avoid every repair. It needs to be durable, understandable, repairable, and properly inspected before money changes hands. The Nissan Frontier is the compact value choice. The Ford F-150 offers the easiest daily balance. The Nissan Titan delivers overlooked V8 strength, while the Silverado 2500 HD provides serious reserve for heavier work. The Toyota Tundra combines the strongest overall package, but its reputation does not excuse rust or poor maintenance. A clean frame matters more than a low odometer reading, and a complete service history matters more than a seller's promise. Choose the right engine, confirm the factory tow package, inspect the structure, and calculate the ownership costs honestly. That is how a used pickup becomes a long-term asset instead of another expensive mistake. Drop your truck's mileage in the comments. Let's see who is pushing beyond the 300,000-mile mark. And if you want practical reliability advice before spending serious money, hit subscribe. We break down the trucks worth keeping and the ones that should stay on the dealer's lot. I'll see you in the next one.